How to log in to multiple accounts on Brawl Stars. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Brawl Stars on your device. Here, make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Click on Settings, which is the first option. Then click on Supercell ID at the bottom left. Then click on the gear icon at the top. Here, scroll down. Click on Switch Account. After you click on Switch Account in here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, click on Login to Supercell ID. After you click on Login to Supercell ID, here, enter your email. After you've entered your email, press on Send Email. After that, wait for some time and in your Gmail, open the app. After you've opened the Gmail, you'll find Supercell ID login option. There, you'll find a code, or if you can simply click on the link as it's given, you can simply click on it as well. And after you find the code, simply enter the code in here. And after you add your email in here and press on submit, you will be logged into your account and you will have two accounts. This is how to log into multiple accounts on Brawl Stars. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.